Did you know that some everyday foods could be secretly wreaking havoc on your kidneys, leading to serious health issues like proteinuria? Today, we're uncovering the top 6 dangerous foods you should avoid to protect your kidneys. Many of us consume these foods regularly, unaware of the potential damage they're causing to our vital organs. By the end of this detailed exploration, you'll have the knowledge you need to make healthier choices and safeguard your kidney health. So, let's dive in and learn which foods to keep off your plate. Proteinuria is a condition characterized by the presence of an abnormal amount of protein in the urine, which can be a warning sign of kidney damage. Under normal circumstances, proteins are too large to pass through the kidney's sophisticated filtration system and remain in the bloodstream. However, when the kidneys are damaged, this filtration system can become compromised, allowing proteins like albumin to leak into the urine. This leakage not only indicates that the kidneys are not functioning properly, but also can lead to further renal damage if not addressed. Persistent proteinuria is often associated with chronic kidney disease, which can progress to more severe kidney issues, including end-stage renal failure. Understanding and managing proteinuria is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing further complications. The health of your kidneys is crucial for overall well-being, as these organs are responsible for filtering waste products, excess water, and other impurities out of your blood. They also regulate blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. Maintaining kidney health is vital, because once damage occurs, it is often irreversible. Diet plays a significant role in kidney health. Consuming a balanced diet helps manage body weight, prevent diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions associated with kidney disease. A kidney-friendly diet typically limits certain nutrients like sodium, phosphorus, and protein to decrease the burden on these organs, allowing them to function more efficiently and reducing the risk of disease progression. By making informed dietary choices, you can significantly reduce the risk of developing kidney issues and support overall health and longevity. Proteinuria is a medical condition where there is an excess of protein in the urine, a symptom that often signals kidney damage or disease. Proteins such as albumin are normally retained in the bloodstream during the filtration process by healthy kidneys, because they are essential for various bodily functions, including hormone regulation, tissue repair, and immune response. The significance of managing proteinuria cannot be overstated. Early detection and proper dietary management can prevent the escalation of kidney damage, preserving kidney function and overall health. One of the key functions of the kidneys is to act as a filtration system. Every day, your kidneys filter about 200 quarts of blood to remove about 2 quarts of waste products and extra water. This filtration process is delicate and highly efficient, but it can be easily disrupted by various factors, including diet. When proteins are present in the urine, it is a clear indicator that the kidney's filtration barrier has been breached. This breach is often due to damage to the glomeruli, the tiny filtering units within the kidneys. Glomerular damage can be caused by a variety of conditions, including high blood pressure, diabetes, and certain autoimmune diseases. When these conditions are present, the risk of developing proteinuria increases significantly. A comprehensive approach to managing proteinuria involves not just dietary changes, but also lifestyle adjustments and medical management. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider, monitoring blood pressure, and managing blood sugar levels are all critical components of maintaining kidney health. Additionally, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and avoiding tobacco products can further support kidney function. In conclusion, while proteinuria can be a daunting condition, it is one that can be managed effectively with the right approach. By understanding the foods and lifestyle choices that impact kidney health, you can take proactive steps to protect these vital organs. Stay informed, stay healthy, and make choices that support your kidneys for a long and healthy life. Number 1. Processed meat. Processed meats like sausages, deli meats, and bacon are typically high in sodium and preservatives, making them particularly harmful to kidney health. Sodium plays a direct role in regulating blood pressure, and excessive intake can lead to hypertension, a major risk factor for kidney damage. The kidneys have to work harder to filter out the excess sodium, which can strain them over time. This strain can compromise the kidney's filtration ability, leading to issues such as proteinuria. Additionally, many processed meats contain preservatives such as nitrates and phosphates, which can further exacerbate kidney problems. These chemicals can harm the kidneys by potentially increasing the production of proteins in the urine and worsening kidney function. Nitrates, commonly used in processed meats for preservation and flavor enhancement, have been associated with increased oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Phosphates, on the other hand, can lead to an imbalance in mineral levels, causing additional stress on the kidneys as they struggle to maintain the body's electrolyte balance. Regular consumption of processed meats can therefore contribute to the development of proteinuria and other kidney-related health issues. The presence of protein in the urine is a significant indicator of kidney damage, signaling that the kidneys are not effectively performing their filtration role. Over time, this can lead to chronic kidney disease, a condition that can progress to more severe stages, including end-stage renal disease, which requires dialysis or a kidney transplant. Moreover, the high sodium content in processed meats can lead to fluid retention, increasing the workload on the kidneys and the heart. This can create a vicious cycle where increased blood pressure further damages the kidneys, perpetuating the decline in kidney function. This emphasizes the need for moderation and healthier dietary choices to protect kidney health. Healthier alternatives to processed meats include lean, unprocessed protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and legumes. These options are typically lower in sodium and free from harmful preservatives, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Incorporating a variety of fresh, whole foods into your diet can provide essential nutrients without the negative impact on kidney health. Number 2. Sugary foods. Sugary foods, including sodas and sweets, pose significant risks to kidney health and overall well-being. High sugar intake leads to elevated blood sugar levels, which can put extra stress on the kidneys as they work to filter and eliminate excess glucose from the blood. Over time, this can contribute to the development of diabetes, a major risk factor for chronic kidney disease. In individuals with diabetes, the kidneys have to work harder to filter blood, which can lead to damage over time and potentially result in conditions like proteinuria, where protein is leaked into the urine. Moreover, excessive consumption of sugar can lead to obesity, another risk factor for kidney damage. Obesity increases the risk of developing high blood pressure and diabetes, both of which can impair kidney function. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste effectively. This damage can lead to chronic kidney disease and ultimately kidney failure if not managed properly. In addition to these risks, sugary diets can lead to the formation of kidney stones, particularly in those who consume high amounts of fructose, a type of sugar found in many processed foods and beverages. Kidney stones form when minerals and other substances in the urine become concentrated and crystallize. Fructose has been shown to increase the excretion of calcium, oxalate, and uric acid, all of which can contribute to kidney stone formation. Cutting down on sugary foods is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing related diseases. Reducing sugar intake can help control blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of diabetes, and prevent obesity, all of which are important for kidney health. Number 3. High-sodium snack. High-sodium snacks such as chips and pretzels can significantly impact kidney health due to their excessive salt content. Salt, or sodium chloride, is a major factor in raising blood pressure, which is a leading cause of kidney stress and damage. When blood pressure is high, it strains the blood vessels leading to and within the kidneys. Over time, this strain can cause the kidneys to become less efficient at filtering blood and can lead to kidney disease. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating the body's sodium balance, but consuming too much salt disrupts this balance. When there's excess sodium in the bloodstream, the kidneys have to work harder to excrete the right amount. This increased workload can lead to decreased kidney function and increased protein in the urine, a condition known as proteinuria. Proteinuria is a significant indicator of kidney damage, as proteins like albumin should normally be retained in the bloodstream and not excreted in urine. The presence of protein in the urine suggests that the kidney's filtration system is compromised. Moreover, a high salt intake often leads to fluid retention, putting further pressure on the kidneys and exacerbating conditions like hypertension and heart disease. Fluid retention can cause swelling in various parts of the body, increase blood volume, and subsequently elevate blood pressure. This creates a vicious cycle, where high blood pressure further damages the kidneys, perpetuating the decline in kidney function. Reducing the intake of high-sodium snacks is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function and preventing kidney-related health issues. Number 4. Red meat. Red meat is rich in protein, and while protein is an essential nutrient for body function, excessive intake can be burdensome on the kidneys. High-protein diets, particularly those that rely heavily on red meat, can increase the metabolic load on the kidneys. This is because the kidneys have to work harder to eliminate the nitrogen waste produced by protein metabolism. Over time, this increased workload can lead to hyperfiltration, where the kidneys must filter more blood than normal. This state of hyperfiltration can stress the kidneys and may accelerate the progression of existing kidney damage, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, diets high in red meat are often associated with higher levels of animal fats and certain harmful chemicals formed during meat processing or cooking. These substances, including advanced glycation end products, AGEs, and heterocyclic amines, HCAs, can further exacerbate kidney strain and contribute to the development of proteinuria, where excessive protein is excreted in the urine. Proteinuria is a significant marker of kidney damage, indicating that the kidney's filtration ability is compromised. Individuals at risk of kidney disease, or those already experiencing kidney problems, are often advised to moderate their protein intake, particularly from red meat sources, to ease the strain on their kidneys and support overall renal health. Number 5. Dairy products. Dairy products, while nutritious, are high in phosphorus, which can pose problems for kidney health when consumed in large amounts. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating phosphorus levels in the body. However, when kidney function is compromised, the kidneys may struggle to eliminate excess phosphorus efficiently. High levels of phosphorus in the blood can lead to bone and cardiovascular issues, as phosphorus is essential for bone health, but harmful in excess outside of the bones. For individuals with kidney disease, managing phosphorus intake becomes essential because over time, excess phosphorus can contribute to the development of bone diseases, like osteoporosis. This occurs because high phosphorus levels can draw calcium out of the bones, weakening them. Additionally, excess phosphorus can calcify tissues in the heart and arteries, leading to cardiovascular problems such as arterial stiffness and increased risk of heart disease. High phosphorus levels can also affect the body's ability to effectively use other minerals such as calcium and iron, further complicating health issues. When phosphorus binds with calcium in the blood, it can lead to a reduction in available calcium for other bodily functions, potentially resulting in hypocalcemia. This imbalance can trigger the release of parathyroid hormone, which can further deplete calcium from bones, exacerbating bone health issues. Therefore, people with kidney issues or those at high risk for such conditions are often advised to limit their intake of dairy products to manage phosphorus levels and alleviate the burden on the kidneys. Here are some strategies to help manage phosphorus intake and protect kidney health. 1. Limit high phosphorus foods. Reduce the consumption of high phosphorus foods, including dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, as well as certain processed foods that may contain added phosphates. 2. Choose low phosphorus alternatives. Opt for low phosphorus alternatives such as almond milk, rice milk, or other plant-based milk alternatives that are not fortified with phosphorus. 3. Read food labels. Be aware of hidden phosphorus in processed foods. Ingredients like phosphate or phosphoric acid indicate added phosphorus, which can increase total intake. 4. Balance calcium intake. Ensure adequate calcium intake through low phosphorus sources to help balance phosphorus levels and support bone health. Green leafy vegetables, certain fruits, and calcium-fortified foods can be good alternatives. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps the kidneys filter out excess phosphorus and maintain proper hydration levels, which is essential for kidney function. 6. Consult with a dietitian. A registered dietitian specializing in renal nutrition can help create a personalized eating plan that balances phosphorus, calcium, and other essential nutrients. 7. Use phosphate binders. For those with advanced kidney disease, doctors may prescribe phosphate binders, which are medications that help reduce phosphorus absorption from foods. 8. Regular monitoring. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider to monitor phosphorus levels and kidney function are crucial for managing and adjusting dietary needs. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, commonly found in diet sodas and sugar-free processed foods, have been a subject of controversy regarding their impact on kidney health. While these sweeteners offer a low-calorie alternative to sugar, some studies suggest they may have adverse effects on kidney function. For example, research has indicated that consuming large amounts of certain artificial sweeteners might be linked to a decline in kidney function. One of the concerns is that some artificial sweeteners could potentially lead to the formation of kidney stones. This occurs when compounds in these sweeteners affect the balance of minerals and the pH of urine, creating an environment where kidney stones are more likely to form. Kidney stones are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that can cause severe pain and further complications if they obstruct the urinary tract. Additionally, there is ongoing debate about whether the consumption of artificial sweeteners can cause direct kidney damage or exacerbate existing kidney problems. Some studies have suggested that artificial sweeteners might alter the gut microbiota, which can influence metabolic processes and kidney function. Changes in the gut microbiome can affect how the body metabolizes and excretes waste, potentially putting additional stress on the kidneys. Given these potential risks, individuals who already have kidney disease or are at risk of developing such conditions are often cautious about their intake of artificial sweeteners. While more research is needed to conclusively determine the impact of these substances on kidney health, limiting their consumption as a precautionary measure may be advisable. especially for those with compromised kidney function or other related health concerns. Maintaining kidney health through diet involves making informed choices about the foods we consume to ensure they support the overall function of these vital organs while minimizing stress on them. Here are some expanded dietary tips for maintaining healthy kidneys. First and foremost, staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps the kidneys flush out sodium and toxins from the body. Proper hydration ensures that waste products are effectively removed, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, though the exact amount can vary depending on your body size, activity level, and overall health. It's important to listen to your body and drink more water if you're physically active, or live in a hot climate where you may lose more fluids through sweat. Another essential aspect of kidney health is limiting salt intake. High sodium levels in the diet can lead to increased blood pressure, which in turn puts extra strain on the kidneys. Elevated blood pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels within the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter blood effectively. To reduce salt intake, opt for fresh foods over processed ones, as processed foods are often loaded with sodium as a preservative and flavor enhancer. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker, try flavoring your dishes with herbs and spices. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley, as well as spices such as turmeric, cumin, and paprika, can add delicious flavors to your meals without the harmful effects of excess sodium. Including more fruits and vegetables in your diet is another key strategy for maintaining kidney health. These foods are high in antioxidants and essential nutrients that help protect the kidneys from damage. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to benefit from a wide range of vitamins and minerals. For instance, berries are rich in antioxidants. Leafy greens like spinach and kale provide iron and calcium, and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts offer fiber and vitamin C. Choosing whole grains over refined grains can also support kidney health. Whole grains like brown rice, barley, and quinoa are rich in fiber and important nutrients while being lower in phosphorus and potassium compared to other grains. This balance is particularly beneficial for individuals with kidney concerns, as it helps maintain proper nutrition without overloading the kidneys. When it comes to protein consumption, moderation is key. While protein is an essential part of any diet, consuming high amounts can cause the kidneys to work harder to process the byproducts of protein metabolism. This can be particularly taxing for individuals with existing kidney issues. To ease the strain on your kidneys, consider including more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu, along with lean meats such as poultry and fish. Managing potassium and phosphorus intake is also important, especially if your kidney function is compromised. Foods high in phosphorus include dairy products, beans, and nuts, while high potassium foods include bananas, oranges, and potatoes. Monitoring and moderating the intake of these nutrients can help prevent complications and maintain better kidney function. By following these dietary guidelines, you can help keep your kidneys functioning effectively and prevent the onset of kidney-related health issues. It's always best to consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to tailor dietary choices to your specific health needs, especially if you have an existing kidney condition. Making informed and balanced dietary choices is a proactive step towards ensuring long-term kidney health and overall well-being. Ensuring an adequate intake of these essential nutrients while maintaining proper hydration can significantly contribute to kidney health and overall well-being. As with all health-related matters, individual needs can vary, especially for those with existing health conditions. Therefore, Consulting with a healthcare provider is recommended to determine the best dietary plan for your specific circumstances. Choosing healthy alternatives to harmful foods can help protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. Here are some healthier options for each of the foods previously discussed. 1. Instead of processed meats, opt for lean, unprocessed proteins, such as chicken breast, turkey, or fish. Plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are also excellent alternatives. These options are low in sodium and free from harmful preservatives, making them much gentler on your kidneys. 2. Instead of sugary foods, reach for natural sugars found in fruits such as berries, apples, and oranges. These fruits offer the sweetness you might crave along with beneficial fibers and antioxidants. Additionally, you can try using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation to satisfy your sweet tooth without the harmful effects of refined sugar. 3. Instead of high-sodium snacks, try snacking on unsalted nuts, seeds, or homemade popcorn without added salt. Fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, or cucumber slices are crunchy, hydrating snacks that are low in sodium and great for maintaining kidney health. These snacks not only provide a satisfying crunch, but also deliver essential nutrients without the excessive salt content. 4. Instead of high-protein red meats, include more plant-based proteins and lean meats like poultry and fish in your diet. These options provide necessary protein without overburdening your kidneys. Balancing your protein intake can help maintain kidney function and prevent strain on these vital organs. 5. Instead of high-phosphorus foods, limit your intake of dairy products, beans, and nuts if you have compromised kidney function. Opt for lower phosphorus alternatives, such as rice milk, non-dairy creamers, or certain vegetables and fruits that are naturally low in phosphorus. This can help manage phosphorus levels in your blood and prevent related complications. 6. Instead of artificial sweeteners, minimize the use of diet sodas and sugar-free processed foods. Instead, focus on natural sweeteners and whole foods. Drinking plain water or herbal teas can be a healthier alternative to artificially sweetened beverages, supporting overall kidney health. By following these dietary guidelines and making healthier food choices, you can help keep your kidneys functioning effectively and prevent the onset of kidney-related health issues. It's always best to consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to tailor dietary choices to your specific health needs, especially if you have an existing kidney condition. Proper hydration, along with the right balance of nutrients, can go a long way in supporting kidney health and overall well-being. It's important to be mindful of consuming certain foods in excess, as they can negatively impact kidney health. Processed meats, which are high in sodium and preservatives, can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Consuming sugary foods contributes to obesity and diabetes, both of which can impair kidney function. High-sodium snacks can lead to elevated blood pressure, exacerbating kidney stress. While red meat is a good protein source, consuming it in large quantities can overload the kidneys. Dairy products, though nutritious, contain high levels of phosphorus, which can be harmful in excessive amounts, especially for those with kidney issues. Lastly, artificial sweeteners, often seen as a safe sugar alternative, can have adverse effects on kidney health and should be used cautiously. Before making any significant changes to your diet, it's crucial to consult with healthcare providers. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and conditions. Dietary adjustments should be made carefully to ensure they benefit your kidney health without causing other unintended health issues. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content to help spread awareness about kidney health. Your support helps us bring more health tips and advice to a wider audience, contributing to better health outcomes for everyone.